Hola a todos, ¿qué tal? Soy Erika. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Hi everyone, my name is Erica. Welcome to my channel. Entonces, hoy vamos a aprender de pronombres demostrativos. So today we're going to learn about demonstrative pronouns, which are basically how to say this, that, and that over there in Spanish. So it might seem a little bit complicated. As you can see, there's a lot of words here. However, there's a pattern. So if you're a beginner, this video will be super useful for you as it's going to allow you to expand your vocabulary and express yourself with a lot more fluency. Y bueno, entonces vamos a empezar con el video y si te gusta, por favor suscríbete y dar una me gusta. Y bueno, vamos a empezar. Entonces, este y esta. So, este y esta significan this en inglés, ¿ok? Entonces es para referirse a una cosa cerca al orador e interlocutor. So we use este and esta to refer to something that is close to both the speaker and the listener, something in both of our vicinity. También para un evento del presente o futuro. Okay, so we can also use it to refer to events happening in the present or the future. Okay, I'll just jump to this point in a second. Let's go to using it as just this. So, este. Se usa este para una cosa masculina y singular. So we'll use este for something masculine and singular, a masculine and singular noun. Por ejemplo, ¿cuánto cuesta este peluche? How much does this stuffed animal cost? Este peluche. It's a masculine singular noun, so we're going to use este. On the other hand, we have este, que se usa para una cosa femenina y singular. Okay, so esta is used for a noun that is feminine and singular. Por ejemplo, mira esta nutria. Mira esta nutria. Look at this otter. Okay, so an otter in Spanish is a feminine and it's singular in the sentence, so we'll use esta. And this means this. Este and esta means this. Okay, so in using it for eventos del presente y el futuro, it's used for things that are close to, or in the present or in the future, which makes sense, right? This is something that's like close to us. So, esta semana tengo que trabajar. This week I have to work. También se puede decir este día, este mes, este año. So we can say like this day, this year, this month. And it's used to refer to an event that's either happening right now or in the future. Okay. One thing to point out is that you might notice that esta is similar to the verb estar in Spanish. The difference in this case is that the A with the verb estar has a tilde. It has an accent on it, okay? So that's how you know it doesn't mean the same thing. If it's the verb estar, in most cases, it's always going to have that A, the accent on the A, okay? If it doesn't, it means this. Okay, ahora vamos a estos y estas. Entonces, significan these. So, básicamente es lo mismo, solamente que es el plural. So, it's just the plural of este and esta. So, para referirse a cosas cercanas al orador e interlocutor, y es plural. Okay? So, used to refer to things, so more than one thing that is close to both the speaker and the listener. So, estos para cosas masculinas o del género mixto. So, estos is for masculine objects or things of mixed genders, like people. Por ejemplo, mira estos peluches lindos. Look at these cute stuffed animals. There's two of them. Together they're masculine. So, estos peluches. Estas para cosas femeninas. Entonces, me encantan estas flores. Okay? Flores are feminine. So, we will have estas flores. Okay? Bueno. So, estas and estos, este and esta mean this. Ahora vamos a pasarnos a ese y esa. Entonces, ese y esa significan that. So, para referirse a algo lejos del orador, okay, so it's used to refer to something a bit more far away from the speaker. Y también se puede usar para un evento del pasado. So we can also use it for a past event. Okay? So ese, so again, it means that. Una cosa masculina y singular. So again, a masculine and singular noun. Por ejemplo, no me gusta ese hombre. I don't like that man. Okay? If we're using it for a past event, we can say ese día. So because I have ese día, I need to be talking of, you'll see the next verb is in the past, right? Fue, the verb ser in the past. Ese día fue muy divertido para mí. That day was really fun for me. Okay, it's all in the past. So if I have ese día, the next verb needs to be in the past tense, okay? Ese se usa para una cosa femenina y singular. Por ejemplo, es muy bonita esa mujer. That woman is very beautiful. ¿Ok? Bueno, ahora esos y esas, básicamente lo mismo, es solamente que es en el plural. So same thing, just in the plural. So again, used is those in English. So it's used for multiple things that are more far away from us. Entonces, esos para cosas masculinas o del género mixto. Por ejemplo, estos perros me dan miedo. So those dogs scare me. Okay, something like further away from us. Esas para cosas femeninas. So you can look here. Esas niñas juegan pollito inglés. So these girls play red light, green light. Okay, pollito inglés is how you play. It's basically the same game in Spanish. But again, okay, esas y esos mean those. Okay. Ok, bueno, vamos a aquel y aquella. Okay, so aquel y aquella is like that, but something really far away. Okay, so para referirse a una cosa más lejos del orador. Okay, so it's used to talk about something that's even like further away than the speaker. Or events that are also like further in the past, okay? So, aquel para una cosa masculina y singular, aquella una cosa femenina y singular. Same pattern, okay? So aquel is used for something masculine and singular, and then aquella feminine and singular. Okay, so here I have a couple sentences. Nunca olvidaré aquel día. I'll never forget that day. 3 años atrás, 3 years ago. Aquella paella fue la más rica que comí en mi vida. So that paella was the most delicious that I've had in my life. Okay, so it's talking about something that happened like really far away, and I'm saying aquella paella because it's like in the past, like it's gone. Okay, like it's so far away. So that's kind of when you would use aquel, aquella for talking about something that's like removed from you in the past, far away. Okay. Aquellos y aquellas, same pattern, same thing, just in the plural, okay? So aquellos we're going to use for masculine and plural or mixed gender things, nouns that are really far in the past, and the aquellas for feminine things in the past or far away from us. Okay, so some sentences. Se dice que aquellos toros en Pamplona son los más fuertes de España. So they say that those bulls in Pamplona are the strongest in Spain. Okay, I'm talking about something far away in Spain. So I'm using aquellos because it's like not at all close to me. Aquellos bailarines de flamenco en Granada son increíbles. So those dancers, flamenco dancers in Granada are incredible. No puede faltarlo si vas a aquel ciudad. You can't miss it if you go to that city. So this sentence here, it's super removed from me. I'm kind of talking like in general. I'm talking like it's not something I can see in my vicinity right now. So I'm using the words aquel and aquellas, okay? Bueno, so now let's jump really quickly to esto, eso, y aquello, okay? So we used, if you see, these ones here were all for masculine and feminine, okay? So why is there a third context? Bueno, so eso, esto, y aquello, okay? So para referirse a una cláusula entera, so we use this, you can kind of think of it as a neutral form, okay? So it's used to refer to either like a full clause, like a full idea, a full sentence in itself, which doesn't have a gender, right? Or something desconocido. So something that we have no idea what it could be. If we have no idea what it is, then how are we going to know if it's feminine or masculine, right? So we can put it into the neutral, and then it shows that we have no idea what we're talking about. Okay, so it's always going to be neutral or singular. So it's not going to be like, you're never going to put an esos, estos, aquellos. Okay, it's always going to be neutral and singular. So, por ejemplo, I have some sentences for you here. Eso no es justo, María. So that this is not fair, Maria. So it's like this I'm talking about, or like, sorry, that, sorry. I'm saying like that is not fair, Maria. So it's like a general idea that I don't know what we're talking about, but in the sentence I'm obviously referring to something. ¿Qué significa esto? No entiendo. What does this mean? I don't understand. Okay, again, this is referring to like an entire like idea, something I haven't mentioned yet. I don't know what it is, so I'm going to put it in the neutral. Okay, ¿qué significa esto? No entiendo. The last one, ¿y aquello ahí? ¿Qué es? And that thing over there, like way over there, what is it? Okay, it's something desconocido, unknown, so I'm going to put it in the neutral. Y bueno, ok, so esto fue el video, espero que lo han disfrutado mucho y no olvides de suscribirte y bueno, nos vamos a ver en el próximo video.